Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a print-on-demand Shopify store in 2023. So if you're interested in starting a print-on-demand or POD business on selling custom design products, Shopify is a powerful platform that can help you bring your ideas to life. So in this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to create a print-on-demand Shopify store in 2023. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have or you prefer. Once you open your browser, you can go to this URL section and type shopify.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll find yourself at the home screen or main screen of Shopify. And of course, here, if you click on login, you'll have the option to log in into your account. And of course, if you don't have an account, you can simply click on start free trial. So you can start your free trial. Then, of course, you'll have to go and pay one of their plans right here. And of course, in order to create your account. Of course, if you don't know much about Shopify, you can always scroll down and read more information about this example. So for me, I'm just going to log in into my account, click on login. And here's an example. I'm just going to create a store because as we said, we would like to create a print-on-demand Shopify store. So simply click on create another store as an example. And here, of course, I'm just going to answer those questions with whatever I want. So simply as an example, you can answer with I'm just starting on selling or I'm already selling online or in person. So for me, I'm just going to answer these questions. Example on online store. And of course, where do you would like to sell? You can even check other options, not just one option. So for me, choose this as an example. I'm just going to print on demand products and click on next. And of course, as you can see, I'm just going to choose which account. Let's say this first one. And as you can see, now they are creating my print on demand store. And of course, for you, you will have to choose a print on demand app. As an example, you can even choose an app if you want to, then install and set up like the print on demand app, then select the customized products, set the pricing and profit margin. And then of course you'll be able to even design your Shopify store, then create products pages, then set up payments gateway, then configure the shipping settings, and then of course simply launch your print on demand store. So as you can see here, my free trial will end in for July, and of course I will have to go and complete the setup guide so my store will be or my print and demand store will be ready to use. Simply I'll have to go and add my first products, find product to sell, and of course customize my online store, add pages to my store, organize my store navigation, add custom domain, and lastly I'll have to go and name my store and then set up a payment provider. And that means I will finish this setup guide, and of course this will let me will give me the opportunity to start my print on demand store. So normally if you click here on online store, you'll be able even to preview your store. If you click on the eye, and you'll be able to see everything. So normally we created a pre and demand store, so simply we'll have to go and add our print and demand products and we will be good to go. Other than that, of course, you'll be able to do multiple things on Shopify. So you can, as an example, customize your store. You can, of course, explore the various customization option available on Shopify. And of course, you can, as an example, it's important or it's crucial to choose the right theme for your brand example, and make sure to customize the theme appearance and layouts and colors, of course, depending on your needs. Then, of course, you can even show the flexibility Shopify drag and drop editor, and of course you can, as an example, extend the functionality with apps. So this apps option is very useful on Shopify. Of course, if you click on add apps, as you can see, you'll find the apps that you already have, as an example, in your Shopify store. And of course, if you didn't find the app that you want here, you can simply go and click on find more apps in the Shopify app store. Once you click on it, of course, those are like the plugins that you find on WordPress and a lot of other stuffs. So these apps are just insane. This will help you with kind of everything that you want in your Shopify store. If you didn't trust, of course, you can go and check one of, not just one, a lot of our videos in this channel. You can do a lot of other stuffs with Shopify with just the apps. I showed you how to do a lot of stuff with just the app. So simply, whatever you have in mind, as example, you want to add like some social icons on your Shopify store. So you'll have to simply go here and type social media as example. Why not? And as you can see, you'll find here social media icons and a lot of other stuff. Let's just choose an example. We want payments as an example gateway. So as you can see, you'll find a lot of apps that can do that for you. So basically, you don't have to do a lot of stuff by yourself. You can keep it to the app to do it for yourself. You can even use a filter here that has like customized checkout or works with just Shopify posts, and of course you can choose a lot of other stuff. Other than this app, of course, you can, as example, select across like channels. There is the power, of course, of multi-channels, and you can Shopify, of course, you can integrate it with your social media platforms and marketplace, and of course you can even set up and manage your sales and channels like on even like Facebook, Instagram, and Amazon. And of course, make sure to go and keep an eye on the marketing of your Shopify store. And of course, your online store will always find this here on this left panel as an example. So whatever you made on changes or whatever you did on your store, you'll be able to preview it from here. So as you can see, if you click on this eye, you'll be able to view your online store. So as an example, this will open a new tab. Here you'll find your store as an example, and you'll be able to see the themes, the blog posts, the pages, the navigation, preferences, and as you can see, you'll be able to customize this. And of course, normally if you have just your free trial, they will ask you to pick a plan. So simply you'll have to go and pick a plan from here. As you can see, you'll be able to add some themes in the theme library, or you can upload your theme as an example if you have it already like downloaded in your PC into your PC. You can connect from GitHub like some themes. You can even visit the theme store as an example. Here you'll find a lot of themes. This could be interesting for you. So make sure to go and choose whatever theme as an example be good for you. Of course, some of them you'll find some free ones. That's definitely sure. As you can see, this is free. This is not free, but normally free ones you'll not find many colors. You'll not find it that interesting. So other themes normally it's gonna be paid, but a lot of them like are pretty good. So make sure to go and see all the themes example from here, or you can even see some collections from here. So here on all themes you'll be able to see all themes, and then you can choose the theme that you like to put it on your store. So as you guys said, there are some good free themes. An example, this is for surfing, this is for, I don't know, you can go and check that by your own. So of course there is some good themes that are free. As you can see, this is for taste and a lot of other stuffs. So you can see there's the pages, navigation, preferences. There's even this point of sale as example. And so let's just wait for the page itself loads. And as you can see, of course, our free trial will end in 4 July. So of course, here you'll have to go and answer some simple questions. Make sure to answer them, not to skip them, because they will help you a lot with the point of sale. And of course, here you'll find a lot of pages this will help you, including home, orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, and even discounts that you can put on your store. Of course, all of those you'll be able to edit on your store. So that's gonna be basically it. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations. By following these steps, you can create a print-on-demand Shopify store in 2023 and of course start selling custom designed products with ease. Leverage the power of print-on-demand apps and design customization in Shopify Reboost e-commerce features to bring your products to the market. So start building your print-on-demand business today and turn your creative idea into a successful online store. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below. Subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one, and I will see you in the next video.